I have tried dandelion salad. It's a little bitter for me. My name is Robert Baker. I'm the chief weed scientist for the Scotch Miracle-Gro Company. I'm the weed guy. Due much to my wife's dismay, I will stop walking randomly on the sidewalk if I see something I haven't seen before, poke at it and try to see what it is. Having grown up on a farm, I've been around weeds my entire life and weed control, 20 years at Scotts. Ground Clear Weed and Grass Killer provides the most elegant solution to people's weed problems. Simple solution to a simple problem. 1, it's fast. 2, it's armory listed. 3, it's effective on all types of weeds. So you have a raised bed and you have weeds around the outside of your raised bed. You can kill those this time of the year in the spring before you plant. Most people will have chickweed or something else growing around the edge. You can start to see black speckling from the product working in as little as 15 minutes, yes. And within 2 hours, these leaves will start to roll in on themselves and turn brown. You'll get rid of that weed. You have the satisfaction that it's gone. You're still gonna have weeds come back from seed. That's part of the ongoing maintenance of your area. You're stripping away the plant's ability to defend itself against the elements. This dandelion here, you probably have to spray it again, but every time you spray it, it gets weaker because you're taking away its stored food. And as soon as you get rid of that, it's done. It's toast. For most people, I can't imagine why they wouldn't want to at least try this. I can see what I've done by the time I finish spraying my driveway. Weeds are already turning brown. I believe in this product. I love the way it works, and I've used it at my house, and I'm completely happy with how it works.